Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix loose wires in a 3-pin wall plug. This usually happens when the wire grip is loose or there is no wire grip, like in this case. So I had to find an extra wire grip. The tools you will need a tester or a screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a cable splitter. Let's open the wall plug. The two wires are loose. I need to get the accurate size of the wire before I split it. Check. So this is just to be accurate so that I don't end up with excess wires at the bottom. Strip this open with my stripper. The wire code of this cable, this is ground, neutral, this is live, and this is earth. In the other cases, the other wires, you will find like the neutral is blue and the live wire is brown, and this is yellow or light green. Inside our plug, this is the earth wire, this is the neutral wire, the live wire connects on this terminal, this is a fuse. I usually connect it like this, just to add more grip on the connections, and this usually helps to add more grip so the connection won't be loose. Next I will connect the earth wire. And lastly, neutral wire, and we are done. Last but not least, don't forget the wire grip. So this usually goes, the plastic usually goes inside the plug, so that the screws connect it from the outside. Yeah, make sure it's connected and secured so that our connection to be good and firm. So in this case, let me take you through the connection again. This is the live wire, this is the earth wire, a live wire, a neutral wire, this is the fuse, and this is the cable grip, and this is the flex. So before we close the plug, we will need to confirm the other side whether the connection is okay. The other side, it only take a few minutes to open inside and check if the other side is secure. It's okay, and then we finish the connection just to be sure. Doing this makes it even more safer for you or your equipment. this side seems okay, so I will just close it back. So this side is okay, there's no issues on that side. So we'll go back to our plug and finish connecting it. We're going to connect it to our power source and see if our extension LED will turn on. So the LED is not turning on. So this means there is one thing that we forgot to check: the fuse. So on the plug there is a fuse, so I'll just open this, then use a multimeter to check if the fuse has a continuity. So let's check our fuse and see. So the fuse is burned, so I will just take this off. The fuse is 13 amperes. We have to make sure the new fuse is also 13 amperes. So let's confirm if this is faulty. Yeah, it's faulty, and let's confirm the new fuse if it works. Yeah, the new fuse is okay. Let's connect the new fuse and cover the plug. So let's try it one more time and see if it works. See, the LED is working. See, so the connection is complete. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to Cedoh Kingdom, consider subscribing, and let me hear your thoughts on the comment section about my connection, and if any other idea comes in your mind, let me hear in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more.